You might think you've missed the run on Planet Labs after that massive surge, but the truth is, this story could just be getting started. Planet Labs, ticker symbol PL, is emerging as one of the most promising players in the entire space data industry, and there's a very real argument that it's still undervalued even after this rally. Let's break down why. Planet Labs has been quietly transforming its business from a cool space company into a serious data powerhouse. Their most recent quarter showed revenue of $73.4 million. That's about 20% growth year over year. But what's even more impressive is their backlog. It hit $736 million, up more than 240% from the same time last year. That backlog represents locked-in, contracted business revenue that's already in the pipeline. And that's not just coming from small private deals. Planet Labs has landed major contracts with NATO, the United States Department of Defense, and even a €240 million agreement with the German government. These are multi-year commitments from major institutions, which means the company's revenue base is becoming more predictable, more durable, and more scalable. Here's where the long-term story gets even better. We're entering an era where data from space is as valuable as data from the internet. Governments, corporations, and researchers are using satellite imagery to monitor crops, forests, cities, and even military movements. Planet Labs already operates the world's largest fleet of Earth imaging satellites, capturing data daily and selling analytics to customers around the world. They're not just taking pictures from space, they're turning those pictures into intelligence. Now let's talk numbers. Even with the stock trading around $13 to $14, Planet Labs still looks relatively inexpensive given its growth trajectory. Their total revenue over the last 12 months sits around $260 million, and the company recently reported positive free cash flow, a key turning point for any tech business moving toward profitability. Analysts at Needham even raised their price target from $12 to $16 after the latest earnings, citing strong backlog growth and expanding operating momentum. When analysts are boosting targets after a big move, it usually means there's more room to run. Combine that with increasing institutional interest and improving sentiment across the space and defense sectors, and you start to see how the stock's next leg higher could build on real fundamentals. So here's the bottom line. Planet Labs isn't just another speculative space stock. It's a data company with government-level clients, recurring contracts, growing cash flow, and a dominant position in one of the fastest-growing sectors on Earth, and above it. The recent surge might have caught attention, but the underlying story is still in its early stages. If you want to stay ahead of this trend and follow the companies shaping the future of data from space, make sure you hit that subscribe button and keep up with the next updates. Because Planet Labs could be one of those names people look back on and say, I wish I'd paid attention earlier.